See, the rain is nice, but gee, I don't really like getting wet. What in the world? No, I went under the awning. It's still raining. Why is it still raining? I did what I was supposed to. That's not fair.
I'm killing the beat, I'ma walk on it. No chiropractic, but yeah, I can walk on it. Collabing and shit, they expect me to walk on it. He said he can rap, so I let him walk on it. He slid on the beat, he fumbled, he dropped. He said he can rap, my nigga just stop it. Bitch, I'm a bunny, you know that I hop it. I'm baby tired, nobody can top it. Chopping the beat like I'm chopping his head. This nigga a goofy, he's seeing the red. He kept talking down, so we leaving him dead. We give him a coffin and call it his bed. We knocking his ass, he calling the feds. He down on the ground, somebody get the meds. Examine the wound like we filled him with lead. They patching him up with a needle and thread. She finna shake it. Shake it. Down, 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 yeah, down, 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 ayy, I said. I'm out.
Shut up, I'm on the phone with Rodney.
See, the rain is nice, but gee, I don't really like getting wet. What in the world? No, I went under the awning. It's still raining. Why is it still raining? I did what I was supposed to. That's not fair.